Hi, do you love shopping for new clothes? I know you do, but do you have time to take good care of them? Don't worry, leave it to LG. So presenting the all-new LG front-load washing machine with AI direct drive. While in ordinary washing machines, either you segregate different fabrics or face confusion while choosing the right wash cycle for a mixed load, which ultimately leads to fabric damage. LG AI DD eliminates the guesswork and gives your clothes the right wash and right care. Where ordinary washing machines can only detect the fabric weight, LG's AI direct drive technology not only detects the weight of the laundry but also senses the fabric type with the help of AI and precision of DD technology. Based on the huge data of accumulated washing experiences, AI DD offers the most optimized washing cycle for every load to take good care of your laundry. Also, its 6-motion direct drive technology moves the wash drum in multiple directions and gives proper care to the fabrics while getting clothes ultra clean. Running late for a party? Don't worry. With Turbo Wash 360-degree, you can wash your favorite dress and be ready for the party in just 39 minutes. LG Steam Plus technology removes 99.9% allergens, which means more hygiene and less wrinkles on your clothes. What's more, while your washing machine is doing all the hard work, you can sit and relax. How? LG ThinQ makes it possible for you to control the wash cycles remotely. So bring home the LG front-load washing machine with AI direct drive and get used to comfort.